Hey everybody, this is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a fresh look at Freshpet. This is ticker FRPT. Now, I actually am really interested in how this chart is trading because what tends to happen with Freshpet following positive earnings is it gaps up. At least it has since November of last year. We had earnings in November, gap up, and then a run, and then a new base developed, and then earnings again, and then a gap up, and then consolidation, and then earnings again, and then a gap up, and then consolidation. So it gaps up on earnings, bases, gaps up again. Now, earnings on Freshpet aren't coming up until the beginning of August, but with the market near all-time highs, as you can see here on SPY and on the triple Qs, I'm interested to know that if the market continues to make highs, we may see a bit of a change in character with Freshpet where FRPT may break out before earnings as opposed to waiting for earnings. And so I definitely want to see if this chart can get above and stay above, let's say that 133 level, and push through and do it on higher than average volume. Now, support is pretty clear here on Freshpet, right down near that 21-day exponential period moving average. So for an initial stop loss, you could consider that 126 area. And then if the stock moves in your favor, you're moving up that stop to around today's intraday low. And then if the stock continues to work, of course, you're moving up that stop to lock in a potential break-even trade. So no matter what happens, you're not going to lose any dough. So that's just one of many charts we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you haven't already, you should definitely take a trial. We have a full library of tutorials by our mentor, Dan Fitzpatrick. It's kind of like the Netflix of trading. Dan's got tutorials on chart patterns, Bollinger Bands, indicators, price action. If you can name it, he probably has a tutorial on that, and you can get access to it right now at StockMarketMentor.com. So I hope that video is helpful, and I'll see you next time.